Hi guys, we are here in Tagaytay. We came here to see the volcano. Legend pie, erect section. Camp ugidre too. My hair is not hearing today. It's so much fun in Tagaytay. Welcome to the garden cafe of Tagaytay. View yam faze.
Merry Christmas!
Merry
Merry
Christmas!
Christmas!
In Bangkok, I always.
Hi. Hajik, I am. Nasi. Kay doy ngangi ma'am zibo. Thiang aba dun. Hajik ne Philippines ta lay ba ko. Aduga volcano yang ba chatoy ne ba. Aduga nida. Hore waterage. Koi na Lady Hotel sidagi around 1 hour muk lape ba ko. Koi mari puna chatoy ne. Aduga kay tawbuna ha ba do charage. Kina hay mahi kay ka ising kay ka. Laundry bag sita pula papa in. Azay ko sa mo siya. Majan no pwede to music din. Shidre yun eh.
Yung ningsing ito.
Yung kusa sa zuman ro koy rong gya.
Maning nagkay.
Awang lekay hagi koy dadi. Makha lekay ka hay lo. Noi lekay mala. Sekta lekay hay tare.
Hey.
Sekta kay lekay hagi noi dia. Makha lekay. Hi guys, we are here in Tagaytay. Hello, Sisase. See the sky. It's different, shades of blue, no?
Yes.
Okay. Welcome. You're ready?
I want to buy fridge magnet.
Buy it now from here. It's Tagaytay.
Okay.
How much for one?
This one, ma'am,
Yeah,
50 pesos, and this one is 100 pesos.
looks nice. What is famous here?
Pineapple,
Pineapple is famous here.
yes. And the taal,
What is this? The volcano.
yes.
We came to see this one. Philippines, Tagaytay
Oh, this
City.
one, volcano and the pineapple.
Yeah. I like this one. It's more fun than Tagaytay. This is nice.
Because you know why I took this? It's written Tagaytay and Philippines.
Yeah.
Park.
People Park. Ma, you are so white. Oh my god.
And skinny also, see? My bones are like.
Oh my god, these two girls. Ang ngawe no eh.
Wait, there's another show.
Ay, sige no, pwede pan mo dun eh.
Ako naman sana pagkatak.
Hill siga yung
Boom, boom, boom.
left, right, left.
You say left, right. I'll do right, left.
Wali ba? As ay room slipper lo nga mo di parader siya. Oh.
People will laugh at me.
This is nice.
Yes.
Pazay ko Volcano yawdri ba ko isa? Hi. But these hills I can't. Legend pie, Come. Walk faster. Laki. Ayah, pasaya. Kaya na volcano gitu?
Volcano sonda.
Huh?
Which one is the volcano that one?
Volcano this one. Tar. Ito original ko. Mahirang, marosing. Ha? Namsan wow.
Volcano.
Relaxation. Volcano relaxation. You know that guy?
Which one?
The one who is always narrating this thing, no story about this alligator and then you don't know Ghazal.
Ghazal?
Yeah, the Arab guy, you know
Yeah,
that guy.
yeah.
Yeah, I'm in the volcano relaxation. Kaya ka doon, no? Christmas, machata uri. Ah. Jesus Christ, spoke pa gini. Ito na whole view uri ko. Yung auto. Tagra di camera.
Oh my god! Whoa. Oh, the clouds are here. Oh my goodness. See, it's coming here only.
This is nice, but the way I sit, no, it's all like this. How to do?
I will tell you.
Kaya no, may ang cloth, may ang paris yung to. Wish. Kasi na pa eh.
Okay?
Natiya,
Because
kaya
I
ang
know
ugi
she
dire
was
to.
trying to, like,
Oh my
delete
god.
the picture. Yeah. Secular like this. Out of
Yengo to, am to ugi dire nga sagi volcano uram ba chingka am to ugi dire ha ba. Nga sagi kay legend tharak pa tak nusit me am na samjin oi freezy oi ra ba.
Yeah, it's too windy up there.
You know what?
Because of that, our hair become like chiriya ka
Yeah.
khosla.
My
But
hair is not hairing today.
So, starting of the month, we had a good flavor together, and ending of the month, we're having another nice flavor.
Yeah, we had Bangkok together before.
Yes, and ending with Manila
Thank you, roastering team.
for putting us together in this vlog.
Salamat po.
Masalama.
So, the first half, the guava from Philippines.
Pa, pa, pa.
You know what? I need to eat also. Why? Why is it
Wrong timing. Ah, pa, pa, pa. You know what?
No, he was like more of like
No.
long standing.
Grooming.
Actually, he was waiting for us there. We were just taking pictures.
Wrong timing, Darren.
He was directly to Starbucks. Kasi it's still the same view pa.
Where are we going now? Starbucks ta.
Ang view ang pa sa'yo ba?
Oh yeah, we're at Starbucks. We're going to
Starbucks!
Chakti. Yeah, ngamme. Is it wrong? My curly hair is all gone, cut off, finished.
Yeah.
Because of the wind, because of the rain.
Mine too.
Starbucks na ba? Ha? Ay di na nahanang na pitakol ha pa yay. Bit ta ini na miyang. Festive refreshment ja.
The view is very nice.
Rushi na ibili na loy maksa. Thank you, busy mom. Starbucks is one of the best Starbucks ko with the best views. Ano yun mi am chille ko.
Camera lovers.
Enjoy. You did that as well?
Yes, it's too much, you know.
View,
Yeah.
view ko pa
That's
sa
what I asked, Ruchi or?
She's my friend. Sampay. Hindi naman. Kahit ano, pag-free ka na. Or tayo daw pa.
Yare, challasi maya. Chak charo si chak em charger re koi do. Phazai du dam.
Kanai masa boy.
Hindi bro.
Kanai masa boy ga ba.
Kan lem sa no si bam phazai ye.
Samden masa.
Samjen ga. Phazai phazai.
Camera na pa sa.
She.
What?
My goodness.
Koi hau jik sky runs tala eh. Babe, we reach sky runs.
Oh, that one.
Phazai yam na. Light ka jam phazai
Kita
yam.
kau rem ayo.
Nhưng mà nhau rồi.
Thank you. Go there.
He's getting angry.
There. Oh, Roshi, you are the best view.
She's coming back.
Ui gago.
Ajay. No, it's very nice, you know.
Yeah. Just come there. Then you can have a nice view without this plant or tree.
Okay, whatever.
Sorry.
It's okay, I'm fine. Kasi lai si di.
Mai to pa ma chat laga leitra.
Tahu
Asi
itu.
phone jo mai be kalo yaw ni be mai.
Ay, gis yaw.
Nang ma chat do kai gino.
Mending ke sana kan.
Hazai ba ado na.
It's so much fun in Tagaytay.
Capture the moon also.
Yam nungai nga si namin se na well spent tawre nungai ti handoi se mo. Ay flight la ye ba. Ano ni hojik dinner cha ba chat la ni. This year. Hi, Groot.
I am Groot. Merry Christmas.
Merry Kaya hojik garden cafe da la e chak kana man chan na ba dinner ko.
I laugh only.
What?
I laugh.
Hazay. Nakalama ba? Welcome to the garden cafe of Tagaytay. The namkin that you like, it's there. Yeah.
There? I wanna buy that.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, the
This
same
is
one.
what we were looking
Yeah, it's 100.
for.
Yeah, it's 100. Same. My one torta oil. No, it's not paid promotion, so I will not do it. Let's see. What's with our
Bulalo yaw kita.
bulalo stick yare? Sizzling da.
Okay.
Ngasi thar.
Ani tang yaw ra haja.
Yam kap te.
Ko hewjik chak purak pa ngai bo oina. Si yeng it's here. Nam kin nimki do. Adama yeng ke lai.
This is the one, right?
Yes. Mayum chutney ma. She's going home. Ladakh. Leh.
Lay.
So this is souvenir for her parents. Yummy ne. Our food came. Nice. She kay na.
I call it first.
Ganda.
Or iced tea.
Can talk to Yari.
Rice will pakre.
It's okay. It's okay, man.
Yalla, yalla. You know, in Bangkok, I always eat this pad thai.
Pad Thai.
My door?
Okay, how's it, Tagaytay?
Can you going home now?
Wow, thank you. Kuya si Tagaytay lo sila.
Cheers.
And how's it?
It was a nice day.
Yes. Thank you, Miss Roshi.
Thank you so much for taking
Thank you,
us
Mayo.
out. Thank you,
Thank you,
my
Mayo.
baby.
Thank you, Mayo.
Welcome.
Thank you po.
Thank you for.
Thank you.
It was a nice day. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hi guys, thank you so much
For watching.
us. Hope you guys enjoy the day with us. See you soon again.
Like,
Share and subscribe.
this one doesn't go off even if I wash.
I watched it one time.
This is almost like I scrub it like this, you know. And
Still wool. We need to use.
Bye. Good night.
Good night.